Good morning students, welcome to Narayana Life System classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment of 9th class under the topic center of mass and collisions. Let us see the first question in that. A 500 kg automobile is moving along a straight highway at 10 meters per second, right? So we have here M1 is equals to 500 kgs, V1 is equals to 10 meters per second. Another car with a mass 100 kg and speed 3 meters per second. M2 is equals to 1000 kgs and V2 is equals to 30 meters per second. 1000 kgs and 30 meters per second is 30 meters ahead in first, right? Then velocity of center of mass, right? Now, you know the formula of velocity of center of mass is m1 v1 plus m2 v2 by m1 plus m2. Okay? So, this is 500 into 10 plus 1000 into 30 by 500 plus 1000. Okay, so here I would like to calculate the things. So this VCOM is equals to 5000 plus 30,000 by 1500, which is equals to 35,000 by 1500 or 350 by 50 or 7 by 3. Okay, right? 70 by 3. 570 is a 53, right? So 70 by 3 is 23.3 meter per second. So velocity of center of mass is 23.3 meter per second. This is our answer, right? Now let us get into the second question here. A 4 kg boy traveling at 6 meter per second along x-axis collided with a 2 kg mass at rest, right? Now here M1 is given as 4 kgs and V1 is given as 6 meters per second. M2 is given as 2 kgs and V2 is given as 0 meter per second as it is at rest. Okay, so VCOM is equals to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by M1 plus M2 is equals to 4 into 6 plus 2 into 0 by 4 plus 2, which is equals to 4 into 6 plus 0 by 6. 4 into 6 by 6, 6 gets cancelled, you will get 4 meter per second. So VCOM is equals to 4 meter per second, right? 4 meter per second. Okay, let us go to the third question. The third question. A shell of mass 40 kg moving with velocity of 80 meters per second explodes and bursts into two fragments of masses 32 kgs and 80 kgs. If the latter comes to rest, find the velocity of former. Okay, right? Now here the total mass of the shell is 40 kgs. As this shell is exploding into this, though this will be velocity of center of mass 80 meters per second. Now M1 is equals to 32 kgs and V1 we need to find M2 is equals to 8 kgs, V2 is 0 because it is at rest. So a shell is exploded into two parts, right? This is 32 kgs and this is 8 kgs. This is totally 40 kgs. It's moving with velocity 80 meters per second. It is at rest. Now what is the velocity of this? Okay, right? So here again, m into VCOM is equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, right? So we need to find v1 here, that is m1 v1 is equals to m VCOM minus m2 v2, right? Now v1 will be equal to m into VCOM minus m2 v2 by m1. Okay, now let us substitute the values into it. v1 is equals to m into VCOM. What is m? 40. 40 into VCOM is 80 plus, sorry, minus, because minus m2 is there. m2 is 8, 80 into 0 by, what is m1? m1 is 32, right? So v1 is equals to 3200 minus 0 by 32, which is 3200 by 32 is equals to 100 meter per second. So the velocity of v1 is 100 meter per second. Okay, so this is our assignment for this day, students. We will meet in the next assignment. Thank you everyone.